readily available.
So what we're looking at right now is the Wing XTS. It's a Wi-Fi enabled e-reader device that was launched today. So it's got a 6-inch e-ink display, and the battery life is supposed to be around 300 hours, so which translates to around 8,000 to 10,000 pages on a single charge. It's got 2 GB of internal memory, expandable up to 16 GB. So at 2 GB, that's about 1,000 books it can carry with it. This is a Wi-Fi model, it's not a 3G model. The 3G model is going to be launched according to the company. It's got 2 kinds of DRM management. One is their own proprietary, one is the Adobe DRM. So it's got a USB port. On their portal, they have launched with 200,000 titles, and 10 exclusive titles come bundled with the device. So it's got a 3.5mm jack, a USB jack at the bottom, pretty chunky buttons to change the pages, etc. You have a volume button. So let's look at the user interface. So this is the home menu. Navigation is a bit of a problem. You need to use these really small buttons here. So you've got My Music, your Memo kind of an application. It does support mail, it supports browsing as well. But as the company said, they've not intended it to be used for browsing purposes. So let's look at the library and we'll see how a book looks in the ebook reader. So I'm going to ebooks now. It supports up to 15 regional languages. So as you can see, there is Malayalam, Marathi. So I'm just going to go into English for now. So let's look at the first book.
Expandable up to 16 GB. And how is it expandable? We have an SD card. Oh, you can take SD card.
That's right. Premium is specific only for Amazon.
So this is how it will look.
It means that you have like space.
The ink display is pretty decent. I mean, the Kindle looked a little better. Let's zoom and see if there's any improvement. So now I'm at 150% zoom. You can increase it up to 400, so those who have eyesight problems can increase the zoom a bit if they require. So it looks like the zoom for now is not working. They say they have firmware upgrades coming in soon enough. It's pretty slow. Let's go back to the home screen. The device is priced at 11,490, which is pretty steep. But they say that a 5-inch model is coming in, which is going to be targeted the entry-level segment. So that's it for now. We'll get the device later and give you a detailed review.